Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So if you want to see what's inside in Glossybox August 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, today we're unboxing my Glossybox for this month, and I'm really excited for this month because it's their 10th birthday. So happy birthday, Glossybox. And if you're new to Glossybox, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25. But if you want to subscribe to Glossybox, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will receive this box for only £10. So yeah, let's open this box. And the box this month, it's gorgeous. So this month box design, it's this 10 years of beauty Glossybox. It's really gorgeous. It's pink but with the disco balls. It's really gorgeous. It says here 2011-2021. Really love the box. I'll definitely keep this box. And when you open this box, it looks like this, and it says happy birthday in the ribbon, purple one. And then we have the leaflet as always, and let's start with the booklet leaflet. So next month, lovely sneak peek for the September one. It says next month we're all about putting our feet up and taking some time to unwind, and to help us do this, our September pure relaxation box is going to be perfect. Inside this edit, you will find a revitalizing spa to you dual facial cleansing brush worth £16. This brush is perfect for an at-home pamper, helping to cleanse pores, remove makeup, and massage your skin at the same time. So there we go. So this is next month sneak peek, and this is the leaflet, and inside it says, hey Glossies, this month is a seriously special occasion. It's our 10th birthday, and because we want you to celebrate with us, we got plenty of presents for you to get excited about too. Inside our August 10th birthday Glossybox, you will find 5 of our ultimate beauty must-haves that we know you're going to love trying out for yourself, including skincare, makeup. You will discover all you need to get party ready. What are you waiting for? Get glam up, get on your dancing shoes, and have the best month. Love, Emily, the beauty editor. And then here we go. Let's open this. We have a bit of sneak peek inside. So let's start. So the first thing we have here, we have loads of products inside here. So the first one, which is the sneak peek for this month, we have from Elemis, and this is a Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream Anti-Aging. It has 15 ml. This is just a deluxe sample size, and it says, for youthful skin that looks firmer and feels more radiant, we got the gift for you. This award-winning anti-aging product is a highly moisturizing yet still ultra-light gel cream that quench thirsty skin and increase hydration. So this one, it's worth £30. The 50 ml, it's worth £87, which is the full size. So yes, so this is the first product. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Frank Body Anti-Drama Face Mask, and target blemishes, soothe and calm, 8+ uses. It has 35 ml. So this one is only deluxe sample size too, and it's worth £4.95. The full size is 80 ml. It's retail for £15.95, and it says, cut the drama from your skincare with this no-nonsense face mask. Cooling and calming, a blend of charcoal and smoothing evening primrose oil work to unclog pores, while soothing chamomile, honey, and lavender work in harmony to help you unwind. This mask also works wonder on unwanted blemishes and irritation too. So yes, I'm really excited for this one because when I did my lineup, I always do my lineup spoiler of this subscription box lovelies at the beginning of the month, and the description is so good, so I really want to try this one. And it's really a cute packaging, as you can see, perfect for travel too. And this one also lovelies, it's cruelty free brand, so I'm really excited to try this. And then the next one we have, and this is a full size, this is from NCLA Treatment So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. It has 13.3 ml. This is a full size, as I said, and it's retail for £13.80. This one, yeah, it says, we love this limited edition birthday cake scented cuticle oil that NCLA launched for their 10th birthday. So we had to include it for our birthday box too, containing safflower, seed oil, and vitamin E. To nourish your cuticles, this oil deeply hydrates and soothes, locking in moisture all day long. So yes, really need a cuticle at the moment. As you can see, I really have dry nails. So yes, I will try this one and then we'll see. And I never tried products from that brand too. So the next one we have, I know this is a full size too, from Lotte London, and this is the Ombre Blush. Here we go. If you can see, this is in the shade Haze. Let's see inside. Oh, it's like an ombre blush. Let's watch it. Don't know if you can see, even see it, lovely. Yeah, I love it. It's subtle blush. It's not really that pigmented, so it's buildable, and I think this is perfect for whatever skin tone, because yes, it's buildable and it's not really that pigmented. And this one, as I said, it's a full size, and then it's retail for £5.95, and it says, whether you're after a natural flash or want to make a serious statement, this ombre blush can help you totally tailor your look. In shade Haze, this beautiful blusher is perfect for creating the ultimate rosy flash in an instant. So yes, I tried few blushes from Lotte London. They are good, lovelies, but I don't think it lasts me throughout the day, so I'm not sure. But it's really a gorgeous shade, perfect for everyday shade. And then the next one we have here, and this is the Steve Laron Celebration Edition 9 color eyeshadow palette. I really love receiving eyeshadow palette in my subscription boxes. And inside, I love the color. It's like a purple color packaging. I love it. And inside we have a big mirror, and here is all the shade. Gorgeous shade, like a summery autumn shade to rosy brownish shade. I will definitely use this this palette, definitely. Let's swatch view. Here we go. Love this color. I hope you can see it, lovelies. I really hope you can see it, lovelies. But yeah, I love this shade here. So yeah, definitely I will use this one. And this is a full size in the shade, if I didn't say it, this is in the shade Birthday Edition, and it says it's retail for £23. Wow. And it says, create the most glam eye look you could ever imagine with this celebration eyeshadow palette, a mix of seriously seductive shades that include both matte and shimmer. These highly pigmented shadows apply evenly and feel ultra velvety and silky smooth, extremely lightweight and long-lasting too. Your shadow won't shift either, even if you're out dancing the whole night. Wow. And top tip, use an eyeshadow primer before crafting your look to help make this color pop. I always use eyeshadow primer. So yes, love this one. And then we have few freebie in here, lovelies. The first one, we have the Flexitol Rescue Heal Balm for dry and cracked skin. So yes, So this one. And then we have a full-size drink. And this is from Ocean Spray. Sparkling pink cranberry, pink, red, and white cranberries, vitamin C, low calories. Love this. I love cranberry. So yeah, definitely, even though it's sparkling, I don't drink sparkling drinks, I will still drink this one because I love cranberries one. So yes, that's it. That's all for this month, as you can see. And let's do a recap. So you have a freebie drink, a full size one. You have like a sample size from Flexitol, the Rescue Heal Balm. Need this one at the moment. And then we have also the full size product from Steve Laron, an eyeshadow palette in the shade Birthday Edition. And then we have a full size product from NCLA, Treatment So Rich. This is a cuticle oil one. And then we have a full size blush, Ombre Blush from Lotte London. And then we have deluxe sample size from Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Anti-Aging. This is worth 30 pounds. Wow. And we have also the deluxe sample size from Frank Body Anti-Drama Face Mask. So yeah, that's all for this month, lovelies. What do I think of this month's box? For me, lovelies, it's really worth it, considering this box is only 10 pounds and you have worth like 50 pounds worth of products, more than 50 pounds worth of products inside. And I will definitely use every single product in here. And the box, to the design of the box this month, it's a keep. I really love the design of this month box. I really like this month box. And you lovelies, what do you think of this box? Are you waiting for this box? Are you thinking to subscribe to Glossybox? If you do, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, Jayca. I will pop in here and you will receive this box for only 10 pounds, including the shipping fee. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. In my next video, lovelies, bye.